Hello, friends. Let's learn fruit names together. Are you ready? Let's go. Apple. This is an apple. Red and round, crunchy bites with a yummy sound. Banana. This is a banana. Yellow and long. Peel it quick, it makes you strong. Mango. This is a mango, juicy and sweet, a tropical fruit that's a tasty treat. Orange. This is an orange, bright and fun. Squeeze it fresh under the sun. Strawberry. This is a strawberry, tiny and red, with seeds on the outside instead. Grapes. These are grapes, purple or green, the sweetest little bites you've ever seen. Watermelon. This is a watermelon, big and bright, juicy red and a summer delight. Papaya. This is a papaya, soft and mellow, orange inside and perfectly yellow. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate filled with seeds, bursting with juice for all your needs. Pineapple. This is a pineapple, spiky outside, but sweet like candy on the inside. Grapes. Papaya. Banana. Pomegranate. Mango. Strawberry. Orange. Apple. Watermelon. Pineapple. Fruits are yummy. Fruits are fun. Eat them daily, everyone.